Today I want to talk to you about manifesting using the mirror technique. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson from the girl next door. You're probably saying, Yvette, oh, here you go again. Yeah, here I go again. And this technique, I'm asking you to keep it in mind when you're trying to manifest. It really works. It is one of the best ways of manifesting if you think you have a blockage inside of you, like a subconscious block. Many people out there are trying to manifest and they're saying, well, Yvette, this don't work, that don't work, this don't work. You know, I always mention that in my videos. But I'm going to tell you, a lot of times things are not working. It is because of you. God gives you, the God that's inside of you, gives you everything you ask for, everything you need. It never fails, okay? If it does not work in your eyes, it's because of you, not because of God. God knows what you want by what you truly believe in. So if you want that new job, but inside you're fearful and you're saying you're not good enough, whatever is your dominant belief is what you're going to manifest. You can actually manifest the opposite because by so focused on trying to get that job, you're bringing out those feelings that you're not adequate or you're not worthy of that job. So you're actually focusing on, with your feelings, on what you don't want. And that's how a lot of us manifest in our lives things that we do not want. So now let's talk about manifesting using the mirror technique. When you look in the mirror, you say you see yourself, but you see God. God is inside of you. You are God manifest in human form. God is everywhere. That's how God knows everything that's happening. It's because we live in God and God lives in us. There is no separation between us and God. There is none. With our human perspective put into it, we are looking at it as God as being separate from us when God is not. When I look in the mirror, I'm looking at God. I'm looking at myself as a manifestation of God. So when I talk to myself, I'm talking to God. So what I want to tell you about manifesting using mirror work, look in the mirror at yourself and acknowledge that you're looking at God. Acknowledge that there's a God that's inside of you, that is part of you. Acknowledge that you love yourself. You can't love God and not love yourself. Because if you don't love yourself, you don't love God. Now, what I'm asking you to do is to spend a couple of days, maybe 7, 10, 15, 30 days, whatever it is that you think you need. I want you to say, God, I love you. Your name, I love you. So you can say, hi, Yvette, good morning. I love you. I love you. I love you. The reason you're saying this is because you love God. God is inside of you. There's no separation. So by saying you love yourself, by saying as you move on, like the first day you might say, I love myself. The next day you might say, I love you so much. The next day you might talk to yourself and say, I'm so sorry about anything that I have done, but I know you forgive me because we are one. Then you might work on, we are deserving. We are truly deserving of everything that there is because God is inside of me and God is deserving of everything that there is. Eventually what it is that by looking in your own eyes, looking in your soul, You're actually talking to yourself. And by knowing God is part of you and you are part of God, you're actually releasing from you whatever the blockages are that's stopping you from manifesting in your life. So, like, if you are waiting to get money or trying to get money and you are not getting it, and you do some mirror work and you talk to yourself and you say that you're deserving of everything that there is, I'm telling you right now, you're going to turn around and you're going to get a check in the mail. That happened to me. It sure did. I got a nice juicy check, a bonus. Until today, I have no idea where it came from. And I wasn't about to ask. So whatever it is that was blocking me from getting this money, as I did mirror work and released whatever feelings I had inside of me and opened up to say that I am deserving and worthy of whatever it is, that money blockage was released, and it allowed all that was for me to come to me. And I'm going to tell you right now, it happened within weeks. Out of the blue, the money just came and started coming. So that is one way, one sure way to manifest in your life what it is you deserve. What I can tell you to do, carry a mirror around with you. Look in your eye while you're sitting at the stops, at the red light, and just say, I love you. I love you. Say your name and say, I love you. And then talk to yourself. We are deserving of everything that there is. Everything. Whatever it is that I did before, this is it. I'm stopping it. We are deserving of everything that we want. There's no difference between anyone out there and us. We are deserving. And tell me if your life changed. Tell me if things start opening up for you. Write me and tell me. Okay, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson from the girl next door. Today we spoke about manifesting using the mirror technique. Again, manifesting using the mirror technique. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe. It keeps me going. Please share it with your friend. And if you want crystals or anything, you can visit for a cheap price, store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. If you want more law of attraction lessons, you can go to myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can follow me on Facebook at My World of Metaphysics, Instagram, YouTube. Namaste.